Solve the following equation for y. 5x minus 4y equals 8. We want to solve for y. That means we need to isolate y. So we'll begin by subtracting 5x from both sides. On the left-hand side, these sum to 0, and so we have negative 4y is equal to 8 minus 5x. Next, we divide both sides by the coefficient of y, negative 4. Negative 4y divided by negative 4 equals 8 minus 5x divided by negative 4. Negative 4 divided by negative 4 is 1. 1 times y is y. Now we divide each term of the numerator by the denominator. 8 divided by negative 4 minus 5x divided by negative 4. That gives us y is equal to 8 divided by negative 4 equals negative 2. Here, 5 divided by negative 4 is negative 5/4. When we subtract a negative, that's the same as adding a positive. So it's plus 5/4 times x. We can rewrite this as y equals 5/4 x minus 2.